All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this, it's Halloween. I got this 2022 Halloween edition on the table, guys, to check out with you, share my impressions. I'm gonna check out the look, the sound, and the feel really quick because this is a Sebenza 31, so you know what is going on. But you know what you can check out? Fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram. Let's see what is going on there, because what is going on here, you're gonna see in a second. You get the card, all the instructions on how to disassemble. That's pretty cool. The exploded view of the 31, I like it. You get your knife, you get the Allen key, the Loctite, the grease, which is fluorinated, and it's pretty good for the washers that are, of course, the microfiber cloth. And you get this pretty cool Frankenstein edition for the Sebenza 31. This one has a nice glass bead finish. It is, of course, a drop point in S45 VN steel titanium frame lock. It has a black and orange lanyard with the bead. Of course, Halloween is the theme. You get some serious, look at this, engraving, very precisely done. Just crank up that 4K, guys, in your YouTube settings to fully enjoy the details of this knife right over here. That is pretty cool. On the back, you have 2022, and you got a little witch flying on the broom. That's pretty cool, and I have to say, really well made. Of course, this is a Sebenza 31, so you get all the improvements over the 21 and over the 25. You get a ceramic ball interface to reduce lock stick. You get an angled pocket clip, so it's not gonna interfere as much with your grip. You get a little bit more room to access the lock bar and disengage that. Really cool silver stud, just single one. It's there's some refinements on the scales. There's little touch-ups, little improvements over the 21 and the 25, of course. We get a nice evolution that is this is going to be probably the last of the Halloween editions. So 2022 is going to be the last year, probably. That's what has been rumored about. So this might become pretty iconic. I mean, it's already a classic knife, but the fact that it's going to be gone, it might appeal some collectors for sure. But if you're just an Halloween fan, this is going to be right up your alley. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.